drivers wanted, because our drivers drive like this. Well, he's staying in his lanes now. I guess he's finished on his smartphone. Wembley, we've gone way past Ealing. We were on the Hanger Lane Directory.
I suppose that's it.
We went under it.
Yeah, we're past it now.
Hoover Building's already outside of. So I'll tell you what there is here. It's quite interesting. Have I finished filming this idiot or what? Now what's he doing?
Shaky legs.
Let's see how he does it. Okay, that was alright. I think he was just texting. He's got them pretty straight